Active listening. Listen attentively to your boss's concerns without interruption, ensuring they feel heard and understood. Active listening. Your boss expresses frustration about missed project deadlines. Instead of defending yourself, listen actively and acknowledge their concerns. Empathy. Show understanding and empathy toward your boss's perspective, even if you don't agree. Empathy. Your boss is stressed due to a tight deadline. Express empathy by saying, I understand this is a critical deadline, and I'm committed to finding a solution. Stay calm and professional. Maintain composure, even in a heated discussion, and respond professionally. Stay calm and professional. Your boss criticizes your work. Respond with, I appreciate your feedback. I will make the necessary improvements. Avoid getting defensive. Seek a private conversation. If the conflict escalates, request a private meeting to discuss the issue more candidly. Seek a private conversation. If your boss expresses dissatisfaction in a team meeting, ask, could we discuss this in more detail in a private meeting? Clarify expectations. Ensure both you and your boss have a clear understanding of expectations to avoid misunderstandings. Clarify expectations before starting a project. Ask your boss for specific project goals, deadlines, and key deliverables. Propose solutions instead of dwelling on the problem. Present potential solutions to resolve the issue. Propose solutions. If you're behind schedule, propose a plan to catch up, such as reallocating resources or adjusting the project timeline. Respect differences. Acknowledge that differences of opinion are natural and can lead to better solutions when managed well. Respect differences. Your boss prefers a different approach to a project. Acknowledge their perspective and propose a compromise that incorporates both ideas. Stay solution-focused. Keep the focus on finding a resolution rather than dwelling on the conflict itself. Stay solution-focused during a disagreement. Say, let's focus on finding a solution that benefits the project and the team. Seek feedback and improvement. After resolving a conflict, ask for feedback on how to handle future situations better. Seek feedback and improvement. Once the conflict is resolved, approach your boss and say, I appreciate your guidance. How can I improve my communication and avoid similar conflicts in the future? Learn from past conflicts. Reflect on past conflicts to identify patterns and develop strategies for preventing future issues. Learn from past conflicts. If you have had repeated disagreements with your boss about project timelines, analyze past conflicts to understand the root causes and develop better planning strategies.